Want to see something really weird? Science Channel has a new series about a warehouse for the weird.
Do you guys do monkey skulls? Oh, we can get monkey skulls.
Where one man's weird is this guy's business.
It's actual human flesh.
I would do a kitty for a cow, cow for a kitty.
From the producers of Pawn Stars comes the showroom of the strange. Oddities, December 15th at 9 on Science.